One of the body's biggest and most intricate joints is the knee. The knee connects the femur, thigh bone, to the tibia, shin bone. The largest and one of the most intricate joints in the human body is the knee joint. We begin by examining the human knee's anatomy. Femur. The largest and strongest bone in the human body is the femur or thigh bone. It is the thigh's weight-bearing bone. The majority of the knee muscles can attach to it. Posterior cruciate ligament (PCL). The strongest ligament in the knee is called the posterior cruciate ligament (PCL). It reaches the bottom front surface of the femur, the bone that extends from the pelvis to the knee. From the top rear surface of the tibia, the bone between the knee and ankle. Medial collateral ligament (MCL). One of the four ligaments that support the knee joint is the medial collateral ligament (MCL). The MCL is located on the inner side of the knee joint and extends from the bottom of the femur, thigh bone, to the top of the tibia, shin bone. Medial meniscus. A fibrocartilaginous tissue called the medial meniscus deepens the tibiofemoral articulation within the knee joint. Their primary functions are load transmission, improved knee joint stability, and shock absorption. Lateral meniscus. One of two semilunar fibrocartilaginous structures in the knee joint that help distribute synovial fluid, act as shock absorbers, and provide joint stability, is the lateral meniscus. Lateral collateral ligament (LCL). One of the main knee joint stabilizers is the lateral collateral ligament (LCL), also called the fibular ligament. Tibia. The tibia, also referred to as the shin, is the major bone of the lower leg. It enlarges at the knee and ankle joints, respectively, and articulates at its proximal and distal ends. The second largest bone in the body and a major weight-bearing component is the tibia. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps to understand human knee anatomy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe Mind of Use for more videos.